this question, we have to simplify A and B ANDed with A or B. And this is worth 3 marks. So where do we first start on this one? Well, my advice would be, if you're not sure what to do, you can always try and expand the brackets. And what I'll do here is take A and B and multiply that with A, and then I'll take A and B and multiply that with B. And that should give me the result of A and B and A, or A and B and B. From this now, hopefully you're spotting some common terms, and these are common terms that we can get rid of. The next step that I will take is looking at B and B. I know that B and B is going to result in just B. The reason for this is because B can have 2 states. B can be a 0 or B can be a 1, because these are switches at the end of the day. If I take B and B together, you'll notice that 1 and 1 is going to be 1, and 0 ANDed with 0 is going to be 0. And this means that the result is dependent upon what I put in the first place. So writing that all down, that gives me A and B and A, or A and B. Can you spot anything else for the next step? Yes, I'm looking at common terms again. I've seen A and A there, which is just going to result in A. It's exactly the same as what we did with B before. After we've done that, you can see that I'm left with 2 of the same term, A and B, or A and B. And if I have a cat and a dog, or I have a cat and a dog, I still have a cat and a dog. Therefore, the final answer for this is just A and B.